Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. In today's video, I'm going to show you a Qigong breathing exercise that you can do in the moments of stress and emotional tension. We all want to reduce stress and feel good, so breathing exercises can help to relieve the muscle tension, calm and focus the mind in the moments when we need it the most. The exercise is easy to learn and do and will only take you 5 minutes. Let's begin. Stand up straight, soften your knees, relax your whole body. Take a nice deep inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Next, inhale and slowly raise your hands up. Bend your knees and turn the palms facing upward at the same time. Exhale and press out. Allow your body to lengthen towards the sky. Inhale, turn the hands facing downward and lower them down in the center of the body, releasing and relaxing. Repeat this exercise for 3 to 5 minutes. Bring your attention to your breath. Imagine that there are nostrils at the bottom of your feet. As you inhale, imagine the breath traveling through the feet up the entire length of the body. Exhale through the palms of your hand and let the tension go towards the sky. Inhale through your hands again, then exhale, relax, and watch your breath traveling through the crown of your head, down the entire length of the body, to the feet and into the earth. Let each exhale trigger a deep letting go. Enjoy the feeling of loosening through the neck and shoulders, back, down into the hips and legs. Let every cell in the body relax. When you're finished, relax the hands down and place them on a lower abdomen. Close your eyes and relax your whole body. Stay here for a few moments and notice how your body feels. Open your eyes and enjoy the rest of the day. I hope you feel better, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.